Hello student, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss chapter 3. The name of this chapter is the Introduction to HTML. So before I start this chapter, just we little bit discuss about the HTML. HTML stand for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, Hypertext Markup Language. It is a mother tongue of web page. HTML is used to make any web page. Nowadays, we are using the web page, any website in all. So this all is done with the help of HTML program. Not only HTML program take the help of CSS. These all are the one type of programming language. HTML is called markup language. Inside the HTML program, it is require some special tags. Mainly two tags is required. One is open tag and another is the closing tag. Like see here is the this bracket is there. This is the opening tag and the rest other side is the this is called the closing tag. Otherwise on or off, right? And the next one you all of you see here is the one slash is there. Means a HTML program start with the HTML and finished with the slash HTML. Means the this is the open bracket, and when the work is completed of any particular tag, then the tag operation is finished, then you use the slash. Like see the for second example, see if the P stand for paragraph tag, and see without between the P tag, see this one P tag and here is a slash P tag. Between this you write your paragraph or text. Okay, so P stand for paragraph. So like this such kind of tags is required. But here the two types of tag, container tag and empty tag. So for the student of class 8, the HTML it is in your syllabus. You all of you go through it because there is a order list, unordered list, definition of the tags in all, table, how to create a table, link, background, page background, text format in all this all is the it is there. So now let's start the chapter. Okay, HTML chapter. There is the questions are there. Okay, total 25, more than 25 I think so. 25 questions are there. So you start the question. The first question is the correct statement, the correct syntax of the HTML tag says. You see the HTML tag. This there is a third bracket is there. This is wrong. And here is the second one is the tag is there, but here you see the percentage sign is there, so it is also wrong. And second last third one you see the here is the dollar sign is there, so it is also correct, sorry incorrect. The last one is the correct because see the within the tag it is HTML. So the correct answer of the correct syntax of HTML tag is number D, HTML. Second one is the beside the B tag. B tag actually used in the HTML for bold. Okay, bold or strong. So suppose you written any text. Suppose welcome to HTML class. Suppose you written. So you want to bold. Okay. So use the B tag. When you use the B tag, then the letter is a bold. Okay. So here is the option is see the solid, dark, strong, and bold. So you correct answer is the strong or bold. You choose any one. Both is the correct. If you select the strong, then it is also okay. Next is you should use dash attribute to the change of the size of an image HTML. Okay, means inside the HTML program, here is the one important function is there, means the user to insert the image, right? So here is the you see the question is you should use the dash attribute to change the size of the any image of the HTML, the size of the any HTML. See here is the diagonal coordinators, height and width, top left and bottom right coordinates, bigger and smaller diameters in all dimensions. So you see here the four options are there. So see the correct answer is number B, height and width. If you increase the height and width, then you write first within the tag. You use the tag like this. Tag you use here. Starting tag height then equal to suppose 250. So within the quotation 250 and the width suppose 120 or 115 whatever. So like this you increase the height and width of the any image in the web page. Means the HTML. And you see the fourth number question. A V link. V will stand for vertical link. Okay, in the HTML is a dash link. You see here is the option is there. Active, vertical, visited, verified. So see the second option is the correct B number. Next 5 number question. To define the font style Times New Roman use dash. Means in the HTML program you know here is a code is required. If you use the code then the function means that then the output result is showing in your computer screen. Like the when you use a Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel, WordPad, Notepad, whatever your application you use, there is the, all the options is there just to select your text. Then you click to bold, italic, underline, or page color, text color, or font style, font size, whatever. But as for your requirement. But in the case of the HTML, suppose you want to you change your font style, suppose Times of Roman, New Roman, suppose. So you see here is the options are there. First one the font face. Now the text. Suppose the Arial or any other text you use. Then the within the code you use. Then the text style, font, then the text. Here is the four options are there. The correct answer is the number one font face. Okay, font face is used to change the font style. Next, number six option question. If you use the dash by the default of the item, you will the display the bullet form. You see here the bullet. In the case of the HTML, there is the list are there. There are mainly order list, unordered list, and defined list. Definition list actually. So here is you see the order list. OL is the order list. You see here the open the order list and here is the close the order list. You already explained in the first question. See it is open and this is close. Second one is the unordered list. UL means the order list stand for the like the see the in order 2 3 1 2 3 4 like this order. This is called the order list. And UL means the like the bullets. Okay, bullets like the any bullets. Okay, circle, square, right sign. This is called the unordered list. And the third one is the list. Li is called the list. Inside the OL, it is used the Li. And UL is inside the UL tag, use the Li tag. And DL is the definition list. And you all of you guess which is the correct answer. I already told. So all of you know the correct answer is the number B with the bullet. If you use the dash by the default item, you will display the bullet. If you want to display the bullet, then UL is the correct answer. Bullet. UL tag. Right. 6 number question is completed. Next we are going to discuss the 7 number question. You see the 7 number question is select the correct match. You see the here is the correct match. Start any HTML program start with the HTML and of the means the save your file like the .html and here you see the and with the HTML tag. It is correct, 100% correct. This one first one. When you start the HTML tag, the first you use the tag within the tag HTML, capital or small, no problem. Actually, the HTML not a case sensitive. HTML is not a case sensitive. Use the capital letters means the caps lock or suppose in the lowercase or uppercase, whatever as per the user choice. It is no case sensitive. Next one is the paragraph tag. See, and next one is the putting the horizontal line. HR is the correct one. So see the question is the select the correct. So all is correct. So the last option is the all is this. Yeah, all is correct. So correct answer is the number D. All is correct. Next number 8. The SRC attribute of the image tag is used to dash. The SRC mainly is used to When you link img src like this, it is used to insert the image in all. On that time it is used to src okay, to specify the server side image map of the image, specify the border of the image, specify the location of the image of to sorry image to be inserted in a web page. The last one is they specify the white space on the left of the image. SRC actually used to when you people insert the any image in the web page. That time IMG next is the SRC and equal to within the code the location of the any text. Suppose any location of the any image. Suppose your pictures you download in your in your downloads file. Okay, the picture is available in your downloads. So otherwise your picture is available in suppose the desktop. So that location you assign inside the SRC, right? When you insert any picture in your web page, so src is identify where is your the file means the location of your image. So now you see all of you the correct answer is the c. So the correct answer is the c, specify the location of the image of the included the web page. And the next is the 9 number question. You all of you see 9 number question. 9 number question is the h space attribute of the image tag at dash side of an image. H space. Okay, H space actually used to means hide or with like the left side or right side of any image. Okay, so it is used to H space attribute in the image tag it is used. Okay, so you see the first one is space to the left or right, space to the top of the top and bottom. Next number C is the hide to all sides, and the number D is a none of this. So you see the 9 number is the correct answer is the number A, space to the left and right. Okay, the 9 number correct answer is the space to the left and right. Next number D, number 10, which of the following attributes of body tag specify the background color of the document? Okay, suppose see this is the background is the white. Suppose you made your suppose your program is the completed. You want to add some background color. Okay, so in a case of HTML, use the background color as your choice. But here is the one condition is there within the tag. See there is the tag is there like this. See the body. So first start the tag, then body, and after this BG. Okay, BG then color COLOR like this. BG stand for the background. So it is not required to write the full BACKGROUND. Not like this. Just you use only BG color like this. So then after this equal to, okay, use the equal to sign, and within the quotation, suppose you want to background color is the pink. So then right, suppose within the code you written the PINK like this and tag close. So this is the use of okay background color when when a user to use to add just some background color in all. On that time you use the bg, okay, bg colors, right? So see here is the options are there which is the correct answer. See number one is the background, number b is the b color, and third one is the bg color, and the last one is the BAGRCIR like this. So the correct answer, you all of you know the correct answer is the BG color. Okay. And after this, you see all of you, I am going to discuss the 11th number question. The 11th number question is the B tag. Okay, the B tag make text dash. Okay, B tag make the text is dash. B tag is used to in the above we already discussed the B tag is used to strong or bold like this. And you see here the option is there. B tag is make the text italic. I tag actually italic is used to I tag is italic, and underline the U tag is used to underline, and the bold B tag actually used to bold. Okay, so the correct answer is B tag is used to bold of any text. Okay, to bold of any text. Next, you see the 12th number question. Link attribute of the body tag specify the color of dash link in a document. Okay, link attributes of the body tag specify the color of dash link in a document. To see the options are there, the 12 number questions options are there. You see the visited, active, un unvisited, and next one is the external. So see the link attributes of the body tag specify the color of dash link in a document. So you see here is the correct answer is the number B, active link. Okay, means the active link is used in a document. Okay, when you specify the any color of the link. Okay, suppose HRC is used to link actually. A tag is used to anchor tag. A tag is used to link one page to any other pages. So when you assign suppose click.html like this, we created one page. So when you click in a particular link, then the color is the blue actually. This is the active link. So the correct answer is the number B, active link. Okay, and see the 13 number question. 13 number question, you see here is the which of the following is not a valid value for the align attributes of HR tag. Okay, okay, HR tag which are not a valid value for the align attributes. HR tag actually used to horizontal line. Okay, when you create the horizontal line, so here you see here is a not a valid value for the align attributes of the HR tag. So you see which is the not a valid attributes in the HR tag. See the HR tag from left is use. Okay, next is the right is also use, and next one is the center. Center is also use. The last one is the D, pixel. So here is a which tag is not used, left is used, right is also used, center is used, but the pixel is not used. So the correct answer is a pixel. Okay, pixel is not used in the HR tag, right? So pixel here is the pixel is not used in the HR tag, but the other one is the left, right, and center. This is all it is used. Actually, the HR tag you increase the increase the means the brightness or but suppose thickness of the line. Suppose you increase the thickness like this, you increase the thickness in all. Okay, it is all is possible. If you want to change the color of the HR tag, then also possible. So it is left, right, or center. It is used, but the pixel is not used. So here we today we are discuss the 13 number question, and the rest day next day we are going to discuss the rest of the question. Here is the total 25 questions are there. Now the 30 up to 13 questions is completed. Okay, on the next class we are going to discuss the from the 14 to till 25. So all of you, student of class 8, you all of you go through your textbook because the HTML chapter it is in your syllabus. So it help you all of you. Your textbook is definitely help because you all of you you are in the we are in the you are in the syllabus. Your book it is in your syllabus. So all of you go through it and you practice. Practical is required to HTML. Okay. So all of you the student you must be practice. Okay, practice is required, and here is the mainly tags is there. So all of you use the paragraph tag, HR tag, bold tag, underline tag, italic tag. Okay, link is there, image tag you use. These all is in your syllabus, you go through it. Okay, it is help to improve the your HTML knowledge. Okay student, all of you, I hope you all of you understood. You all of you go through it. Okay. Okay, all of you. Thank you.